So with this one, we said that we were going to go with a certain filter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go new, and we'll do, I'm going to put this as EX for experiment. And let's add in this texture shader, and I think we were with Gabor. Correct me if I'm wrong, it was Gabor. I haven't worked with this one, that's why this is an experiment one. Let's see. So we can do this metallic, roughness. I'm going to do base colour. Take this roughness down, this metallic up, because we're doing metals. So now we kind of have this kind of hazy kind of metal. What I'm going to do is let's add a magic texture to the roughness. Ho, I like this. So, I like this a lot. So we now have this nice little kind of magic texture going on. So what we can do with the Gabor and this magic texture, we can actually add the colour ramp. Just place that right here. We could kind of phase off some of this if you wanted to, or you could just keep it the way that it is. Maybe bring this white up. So we kind of have the same effect as the other side. We've got metallic all the way up. If we put base colour to metallic, nothing happens. Okay, if we put this base colour to alpha. Right, so I mean, this one is an experimental one anyway. Let's go plus, and we'll add a nice little blue in there. So we've got these blue stripes coming down right here. If we scale this up, we can get even more blue stripes. Or we could just have like one blue stripe. Maybe. You're kind of making a scene where there's some rust or something like that coming down the metal. So this is a great way to put little bits of rust in there as well. I like that magic texture. If we remove this magic texture, this is what we've got. We've got this kind of rusty kind of mirror. So what I'll do, let's make rust on the next one as well. Let's try this.